In Florida, dog bite claims for personal injury are primarily governed by Florida statutes. Section 767.04. This statute imposes strict liability on dog owners for injuries caused by their dogs, regardless of the former viciousness of the dog, or the owner's knowledge of such viciousness. According to the statute, the owner of any dog that bites any person while such person is on or in a public place, or lawfully on or in a private place, including the property of the owner of the dog, is liable for damages suffered by persons bitten. The statute further clarifies that the liability of the dog owner is not contingent upon the owner's negligence or the dog's previous behavior. This means that even if the dog had never shown aggressive tendencies before, the owner could still be held liable for any injuries caused by the dog bite. Florida law has consistently upheld the principles of strict liability in dog bite cases. Florida courts have affirmed that strict liability on dog owners for injuries caused by their dogs, emphasizing that the owner's knowledge of the dog's viciousness is irrelevant. The statute does provide some defenses that a dog owner may raise to mitigate or avoid liability. One defense is if the injured person was unlawfully on the property at the time of the bite. The statute specifies that the owner is not liable if the person bitten was trespassing or otherwise unlawfully on the property. Another potential defense is if the injured person provoked the dog, which could reduce or eliminate the owner's liability, depending on the circumstances. In conclusion, under Florida law, dog owners are subject to strict liability for injuries caused by their dogs. This statutory framework ensures that victims of dog bites can seek compensation for their injuries without needing to prove the owner's negligence or the dog's prior viciousness. Tanner Demmery of Demmery Law is a former prosecutor and public defender who has nearly 20 years of trial experience in Florida. If you or someone you know have been injured, Demmery Law can help. Contact Tanner Demmery at 954-224-0577 or email tanner@demmerylaw.com.